What happens when you cross a Bengal with different cat breeds? First, when a Bengal is mixed with a Russian Blue, the result is often called a Blue Bengal. This is a medium-sized cat, highly intelligent, playful, and remarkably agile, making it perfect for active homes. It retains the Bengal's sleek athletic body, combined with the Russian Blue's shimmering blue-gray coat and vivid green eyes, giving it a rare and captivating appearance. When crossed with a Maine Coon, we get the Maine Bengal. It's fascinating to see the Bengal's wild spotted pattern paired with the Maine Coon's massive frame and tufted ears. This mix creates a bold explorer, yet one that still maintains the friendly and sociable personality of both parents, balancing adventurous spirit with gentle companionship. Taking it a step further, the Bengal Shorthair mix is born from a cross with a British Shorthair. This sturdy cat often inherits the British Shorthair's dense plush coat beneath a beautifully patterned Bengal body, a visually striking combination that looks like a miniature jungle cat with a teddy bear build, especially when seen lounging proudly. And finally, the most extraordinary of all is the Bengal Siamese mix. A cross with a Siamese, the result looks like a sleek, exotic feline with piercing blue eyes and elegant markings. Its most distinctive trait is that it can inherit the Siamese's vocal and expressive personality, which makes this striking hybrid even more unforgettable.